Hey everybody, I just wanted to drop in and give a update on the PS5 jailbreak situation. So a little bit earlier today, I put this post out on X saying that the pull request for PS5 1.00 and 1.02 and it looks like 2.70 was going to be in this pull request. So if you jump over here and you take a look at it, you can see 1.00 and then 1.02 and then 2.70 was just added in the README. And then down in here, you can see that the offsets for 2.70 was added. Now, as you can see with this little blue button right here, it has been merged into the main repo, which has brought us over here to this brand new post by SpectreDev. And what he says here is that I pushed v1.2 exploits been updated with an implementation that works on 3.x through 5.x using the heap spray, and also some support for other miscellaneous low firmwares. And the firmware that he is talking about there is going to be that 1.00 and the 2.70 firmware. Now, back over at the post, we do see that the elf loader and the payloads will not work for 5.00 plus for a while due to DL sim changes and the payload SDK needs changes. Now, let's look at all of the firmware supported first. So I'm going over to the main page and we can see 1.2 was just pushed out 1 hour ago. And we got support for 5.00, 5.02, 5.10, and then 5.50. So for the 4s, PS5 4.00, 4.02, 4.03, and then 4.50. And then it goes to 3.00 and 3.20, as well as the ones that we just mentioned just a moment ago. Now, I already have a 4.03 system that is connected right here. And what I decided to do was just to do a self-host of it, just because I wasn't sure what all hosts have been updated. Probably by the time you watch this video, most of the hosts like EchoStretch and so forth will probably already be updated. Now, my host can be found right over here at crump-youtube.github.io. And as you can see right here, it obviously detects I'm on a Windows machine, but you can put this into your PS5's browser and give it a shot. Let's go ahead and switch over to the PlayStation 5 and try it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and assume you know how to get an internet browser on your PS5. I installed a package a while back that gave me this little internet browser, and I just added a few of the URLs that I go to all the time in here. So the one that I want to try here is my crump-youtube.github.io, and you can see right there it did detect that we're on firmware 4.03. Okay, let's give it a shot here. Jailbreak, running PS free. Overlapped regions, that usually means it is going to crash. Okay, so this is about the 10th time that I've tried it, and it doesn't seem like I am able to get it on this PS5. Let's see if this one works here. Typically, right after this, I'm getting a reboot. So I am not sure if it's something else that's kind of weird about 4.03. Yeah, another panic. Another kernel panic. I did see that Sony's Nightmare over here on X showed it working on his PS5 version 5.10. So credits to him for this video here. You can see he hits the jailbreak button there and then hits jailbreak again. And it runs through all of those steps pretty fast compared to what mine is. So yeah, at that point, he is absolutely done. So now it's waiting for a payload 9021. And he did show that this is the Horizon Forbidden West bundle that he was using here. Now, all you're really getting out of this right now is just the debug settings. Obviously, the rest of the things will be coming a bit later on. And then, obviously, taking a look at the firmware support, there isn't anything for 6.00 yet because that obviously is going to require the Blu-ray method versus the WebKit that we have been using. Anyway, I hope you got something out of this, and stay tuned to my channel because I will be updating you as the news happens. Thanks so very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Michael, out.